beyond, beyond.
Involving or affecting other things or people than the ones you have talked about.
You should try to develop interests beyond the family.
If something is beyond you, you cannot understand it.
Computer studies is completely beyond me. It's beyond me why anyone would want to buy that house.
Past a place.
From the top of the hill we could see our house and the woods beyond.
Needless. Needless.
Need, needless.
As you would expect.
Needless to say, it rained the whole time we were there.
Easy. Easy.
Easy. Easy. Ease, easy. Uneasy, easily, easy.
To do what is easiest in a difficult situation.
I know you don't approve of his working methods. But why not take the easy way out this time and agree to his request?
Used to say that something seems like a good idea but it would be difficult to do.
I want to ask her out, but it's easier said than done.
Magistrate. Magistrate.
A type of judge who deals with less serious crimes.
The case will be heard by a magistrate. Foundation. Foundation. Foundation, founder, found.
When an organization, state, or country is established.
The foundation of a new state.
An organization that gives money for a particular purpose.
The Mental Health Foundation.
Draught. Draught.
Draft. Draft.
A current of cold air in a room.
There's a terrible draft coming from under the door. Restless. Restless. Rest, restless.
Unable to be still or relax because you are bored or nervous.
The audience was getting restless.
Source. Source.
Source. Source.
Someone who gives information to the police, newspapers, etc.
The story came from a source within government.
Restricted. Restricted.
Restriction, restrict, restricted, restrictive.
Controlled or limited.
They do good food but the choice is fairly restricted.
Possess. Possess.
Possession, possess, possessive.
To have or own something.
He was found guilty of possessing an illegal weapon. Save. Save. Savings, saving, save.
To help someone avoid having to do something.
We'll eat in a restaurant, it'll save you having to cook.
Flee. Flee.
fleeing, fled.
To leave a place quickly because you are in danger or are afraid.
Police think the suspect has now fled the country.
Notion. Notion.
An idea or belief.
The notion of sharing is unknown to most 2-year-olds. Prestigious. Prestigious. Prestige, prestigious.
Respected and admired, usually because of being important.
A prestigious award. Focus. Focus.
The person or thing that is getting most attention in a situation or activity.
He is the focus of a police investigation. In any family, a baby tends to be the focus of attention.